Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the AT&T Radian Max. It's a brand new phone that's coming from AT&T prepaid service. So I'm going to unbox this first, and I'm going to do the review in the future video. So today this is just an unboxing video. Let's go ahead and get this open. By the way, I ordered this from Walmart. I ordered yesterday and it came today. So that's within 1 day. I guess they try to compete with Amazon, and I didn't pay for any membership or anything. So that's pretty good from Walmart. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. Wow, it's one phone with a bunch of airbags in here. So it is AT&T prepaid, AT&T Radian Max. This one is the cobalt blue. So the reason I got this one because this one has a 6.5-inch HD display, Corning Gorilla Glass 5. There's a triple camera system for the rear, and then a megabit selfie. And this is a 32 gigabyte internal memory with expandable up to 128 gigabyte. Fast charging. It's a 4,000 milliamp battery, and it even comes with a fingerprint reader. And this is the latest Android 10. And wow, 2 years warranty. Normally, other one come with a 1 year warranty. So I was kind of pretty surprised with this phone for a low budget phone. This one's only $119.99 at Walmart or AT&T. No contract, no credit check. And here's all the coverage right here for the AT&T prepaid. So as you see, there's your triple camera system right there with the LED flash. So all you need to do is just pick a plan, pay your way, and then activate. And then they offer auto pay, get a discount with auto pay or a family plan. So yeah, the only problem is I don't know. This one, at first I thought this one was like a Samsung because of the drop tier front-facing selfie camera. But anyway, let's go ahead and now open this up. So it comes with this nice clamshell. So this one's a USB Type-C charging cable and made in China. Come with this SIM card eject tool. You got the fast charging brick. AT&T prepaid quick start guide, active your service. Let's get started. AT&T Radian Max. And then safety information guide. And then that's it. Let's go and check out this. Wow, it's a nice color. There's your fingerprint scanner right there. Triple camera system with the LED flash. You got the microphone on the top and then a 3.5 millimeter jack. There's your volume rocker. I'm not sure what's this one. Oh, it's a power. It's a power button. And then they have this special texture. And then on the bottom, you got another microphone right there. USB Type-C, and then speaker grill. Front-facing camera right there. Maybe it has a little juice. Let me see. Yeah, normally with the 6.5 with the triple camera system and then 4,000 milliamp battery, normally it's like a flagship device. So I guess I need to connect to the network or the Wi-Fi in order to set this thing up. But anyway, there's a nice display right there. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.